Hey, what's your name? You're funny. What's your name? You sit. What? Tell me your name. What is it? That is Lily.
Mama.
No, that's Daddy.
That's Mama.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep, you're right. How old are you?
Red.
You're 1. Can you say Lily?
Sheet.
Say Lily.
Sheet red.
Say Ray.
Red.
Say Ramirez.
Yay.
Yay.
The sheet.
You're sitting, huh? All right.
Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye. You sleep? Okay, good night.
Bye.
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 You need blankets? Here's a blanket. Good night.